Is it twirly for uplifting jokes? Well, helicopters aren't made of timber because they wouldn't fly. They aren't made of fabric either, or else they would be Apache. We bet those went over your head. What's circling the skies, waiting to land this week? Keep watching, and we'll let you know. Hi, my name's Gary, and this is my buddy Matt. We're just a couple of gadget nerds who are lucky enough to be invited by Amazon to participate in the very exclusive Vine Voices program. We review all the latest and greatest Amazon products, and when we're done, we give them away free to one lucky subscriber. All you gotta do is like this video, hit that subscribe button, and keep an eye out for the secret hashtag hidden somewhere in today's video. You'll need it if you want to be in the running to win. It's the Cheerwing U12 Mini RC helicopter. Come on, we get mad props for those puns. Surely. The Cheerwing U12 Mini RC helicopter is an awesome gift for the young ones, as well as something that Dad might splurge on. Hey, you're never too old to fly remote control. Taking off is easy. It's the same button for both takeoff and landing, thanks to an inbuilt smart system. Not only that, but there's also an auto hover system, which locks flying altitude to a certain height, which is great if you plan on keeping your RC copter from ending up in a tree or bashed against a wall from a happy mistake. There's 2 speed modes, and the lack of a throttle trigger makes it super easy to operate, as you only have to worry about direction. Like a lot of other RC vehicles, this one does come with plenty of spare parts. The impressive thing is that it also comes with 2 batteries, so you can be charging while you're using the other one to fly around. Nice. The frame is made from durable, rigid metal, but the blades are flexible and can withstand a fair bit of punishment before breaking. So, what do we like about the Cheerwing U12 Mini RC helicopter? Straight up, the Cheerwing is so easy to fly, even a chimp could work the joysticks. Our favorite feature's gotta be the auto hover though, because unlike other RC copters, you don't have to constantly adjust the controls to hold the same position. A cardboard cheat sheet is included with the instructions that slides over the controller to remind you which button does what, which may not be useful for some, but we found this extra touch pretty helpful starting out. The battery life is pretty decent, and the fact that the manufacturer includes 2 is pretty awesome. Intermediate and advanced users, like ourselves, can even make a pretty good go at flying indoors, though we do wait till our wives are out of the house. As the saying goes, while the cats are away, the mice will play with RC helicopters indoors. What's the downside? Like the P-38 airplane we recently reviewed, every time you turn the Cheerwing U12 Mini RC helicopter off, you have to repair it with the controller, which is a little annoying. Like many things, durable does not mean indestructible, as we found out firsthand when we clipped a wall. Luckily, they pack spares in the box. So, what's the verdict? While expert-level users may not get much value out of the Cheerwing U12 Mini RC helicopter, at this price point, it's unlikely to even be on their radar. Pun intended. We give it a rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars. For kids and beginners, something that's easy to fly and costs 3/5 of almost nothing really is a no-brainer. So go buy one for your kid. And the Cheerwing U12 Mini RC helicopter could be yours. We'll be giving it away to one lucky subscriber. To be in the drawing to win this amazing product, the rules are simple. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment in this video with the hidden hashtag from today's review. That's it. I hope you were paying attention, but just in case you missed it the first time, you can always go back and watch again. We'll then select someone at random and announce a winner exactly a week from now. Good luck! If you liked what you saw today and you can't wait to see if you've won, we've included our purchase link in the description below. This has been Review to You, where we review and give to you for free. From Matt and Gary, see you guys next time.